Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. We are uploading bicycle square related goods regularly. In this video you will find ENGWE EP-2 Pro Upgrade 750 watts folding electric bike for adults 20x4.0 fat tire electric bicycle 7-speed gear city cruiser Ebike bicycle to electrica with removable 48V13 lithium battery up to 28 miles per hour. Technical details: bike type electric bike. Age range, description, adult. Brand ENGWE. Number of speeds 7. Color Gary. Wheel size 20 inches. Frame material aluminium. Suspension type rear, front. Special feature foldable. Included components kickstand, mudguard, charger, bell, tool kit. Size 170 x 30-60 cm. Brake styled disc. Specific uses for product road. Model name EP-2 to 750 watts. Model year 2021. Item dimensions LXWXH 66.93 by 11.81 by 24.41 inches. Brand name ENGWE. Suggested users unisex adult. Manufacturer ENGWE Electric Vehicle Co., Limited.